Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify. So you need to install Reviews application, and the most common ones are Judge.me or Ali Reviews. These apps let you import real customer reviews from AliExpress straight into your Shopify product pages. So the process is very simple. First of all, you should install the application from the Shopify App Store or Google Play, then connect it to your store, and then paste the AliExpress product link into the application's import section. And actually, you can filter which reviews you want to see, like only 4-star or 5-star ones. For example, only reviews with photos or only reviews in English, etc. After importing, the application automatically displays them on your product page in a clean layout, which builds trust for your store. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.